Wondering about the right kind of wood to finish a home or workspace? Rising Sun is here to shed some light. With 14 stores in Metro Manila and 3 stores in Cebu, Rising Sun has developed expertly crafted and top-quality wood products since it first dawned in 1982. Rising Sun is a proud producer of well-loved and stable wooden doors and door jambs that have become a staple in many households and workplaces across the Philippines. Rising Sun utilizes only the best and strongest types of wood for its wide variety of doors and other products, such as Mirante and mahogany, as well as other great choices. Which can be used to create a vast array of wooden products including wooden ornaments, decorative carvings, stair components, and office partitions. All wood products are processed using German technology, the Sawn Timber Kiln Dry Facility, to ensure a sturdy finish free from shrinkage, cracking, and other defects. Rising Sun also produces expertly crafted modular kitchen and cabinet systems, executive workstations and counters, all fully customizable and of the highest quality. If you have a product that you'd like to have made, Rising Sun is ready to help you think of and fulfill your own personal piece, including desks, doors, tabletops, and more. The search for the perfect piece of furniture has never been so easy. Create your own custom pieces now and brighten up a home or workspace with Rising Sun.